Well, we're back on the abandoned car here, and it's pretty nasty in here, so the wind isn't blowing nearly as bad. It's just kind of freezing cold out today. One of those cold fronts that came through. There you got a little random cabbage. That's Cheeto. Hi, Cheeto. What you doing? Alright, let's start throwing trash away. Gotta watch for needles in these cars too. That right there, that's one of those blow things for drunks. Appetizing, some sort of sandwich. Ooh, that one's growing. Hey, there's a receipt for a radiator. That might be why he was in trouble. Or she. Yeah. Want that stuck in my gloves. There's a lighter. Lottery scratch. I don't know what that is. It's like somebody's junk mail. Nothing in there. Oh jeez, I'm getting old. Bug spray I'll probably keep. You gotta dig underneath these seats. Oh boy. Travel pizza, more cigarette lighters, and change. Well, there's my tip. About $3.26. Alright, well that was pretty much a doozy. Work a little bit and you just start sweating. Anyway, so that car's going to need quite a bit more work. I'll just keep you informed. Probably going to take the carpet out and shampoo it. I don't know of any other way to get the smell out. It's not that bad, it just smells like cigarettes. Let's see. So we'll get the trunk mat cleaned and some other stuff. I think we'll be good to go. I think it'll clean up nice. Again, the interior is not too bad. It's just dirty. It's if the seats were all ripped up and trashed, I probably wouldn't spend that much time. But considering what it is, and then I've got another surprise to show you. Probably going to be a day or so, but I'm going to put this video out and let you check it out and see what you think. And thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Rocky Mountain Otter Bear. Where are you? There you are.